Hey everyone, welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips, your go-to channel for all things tech and online business. Today, we're diving into the world of domains and talking about how to sell a domain you own through NameCheap. Whether you've got an extra domain lying around or you're looking to turn your domain investments into cash, this video will guide you step by step. Let's get started. First things first, NameCheap is one of the most popular platforms for domain registration and management, but did you know you can also sell domains from NameCheap? Here's what you'll need: a NameCheap account, a domain you're ready to sell. Make sure your domain is unlocked and ready to go. Now let's walk through the process. Log into your NameCheap account and go to your domain list. Choose the domain you want to sell and check if it's unlocked. This is key to transferring ownership. To unlock your domain, click Manage, scroll down, and toggle the domain lock option off. Then, you'll need to grab your domain's authorization code, or EPP code. This acts as a security key for the transfer. Now it's time to list your domain for sale. You can use NameCheap's own marketplace or third-party platforms like GoDaddy Auctions, Sado, or Afternic. For NameCheap Marketplace, go to the Marketplace tab in your dashboard. Follow the prompts to set the price and details for your domain. It's straightforward, and your domain is now visible to potential buyers. Once you've secured a buyer, NameCheap simplifies the transfer process. The buyer initiates the transfer request from their registrar, and using the EPP code, the domain ownership is transferred seamlessly. NameCheap also provides guides to ensure every step is handled securely. Before wrapping up, here are a few tips. Price your domain competitively based on its value. Market it to ensure visibility. Consider using social media. Be responsive to potential buyers for smooth negotiations. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to selling your domain through NameCheap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your online ventures. See you in the next video.